Hey guys, this is Jam of Jamonline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the newest notebook of ASUS. This is the ASUS UX325E or the ASUS Zenbook 13 with the latest 11th gen Intel processors inside. So, time to unbox this notebook. So one of the special things about this notebook is that we got here an OLED display. Yes, OLED, which means that the notebook is vivid, it's colorful, and it has a really good display. And I can't wait to check it out. Of course, we got here the user guide, warranty card, and some info regarding my ASUS. Hidden in the back is actually a sleeve for the notebook, which is really interesting. There's the dongle for the LAN port 2. This simple charger, of course, we got here the laptop. So time to check out the laptop and let's see what we can expect dito sa ASUS Zenbook UX325E. So it's the first time that I'm booting up the ASUS Zenbook 13 and I can say na ang ganda ng design niya. First of all, we got here a really premium design. Of course, we got here the iconic concentric circle design of ASUS. As you can see in here, the ASUS logo, the concentric circle is naka-center siya dito sa ASUS logo. There's some a little bit of flex, but as you can see in here, the display is really good. It's OLED and my god, it's one of the best displays that I've seen on a notebook when it comes to colors. The colors are just lively, and as you can see, I have a monitors here at my back. It's not as lively as this one dito sa ASUS Zenbook 13 with an OLED display. It's not just the display actually. We also got here a really nice design over here. As we all know that the ASUS Zenbook lineup is known for its sophisticated and beautiful design. As you can see in here, we got here the keys. However, you can notice that the keys in here, medyo maliit lang yung size natin dito sa side because we got here a really compact design. We got here a 13.3-inch OLED display, but we also got here a minimal bezels on the side, small bezels at the top with a webcam over here. This is the reason also kung bakit maliit yung footprint na meron tayo dito sa ating notebook, because there are small bezels dito, mas maliit yung space natin dito. So you already know that we got here a really nice display. Again, the keyboard is a little bit cramped for me. Medyo nalitan ako sa size niya, but we do got here the page up, page down button. The power button is over here. So it might take a little bit of time before you got used to the keyboard, but it's still a nice laptop. It's very light at 1.11 kilograms. As you can see in here, it's 13.9 millimeters thin. So it's thin. And of course, we got here the 11th gen processor. To be specific, it's a Core i5 1135 G7 processor inside. And I'm not sure if you could see that clearly, but we got here the Intel Core i5, the 11th gen sticker in here, along with the Intel Iris Xe graphics, which means that with Intel Iris Xe, mas maganda yung graphics natin dito compared sa mga UHD graphics natin. And based on our experience with Intel Iris Xe, the Intel Iris Xe is far better compared to the previous generation. So yes, you could do a little bit of gaming on this one. Probably if you're playing Valorant or Overwatch, you could play on the Intel Iris Xe and the Intel Core i5 1135 G7 of the notebook. So this is no ordinary camera. We got here an IR camera which you can use for Windows Hello. So if you want to use the face unlock as you open the notebook, you can use that one because we got here an IR camera, mas secure, better, and faster for logins. And of course, there's the US military grade na durability dito. So it's tough, it's solid, and yet it is light. So it's one of the probably my favorite notebooks na meron tayo dito sa market right now. What I like about, aside dun sa na-mention ko kanina, the display, the design of this one, we also got here a large trackpad. As you can see in here, the trackpad is wide. We also got here the numpad. So in case you have a mouse with you, you could use the numpad for the ASUS Zenbook. And as you can see in here, it's the same numpad that, or the number pad that meron sa mga previous ASUS notebooks before. As for the ports, of course, we got here the 11th gen processor. So expect that we got here the two USB-C na Thunderbolt na ports, which means that you can plug in any Thunderbolt device in here, faster speeds, monitor if supported nyon. And then of course, if meron pa kayong eGPU sa bahay nyo, you could use your eGPU for this one. So you can play some games, edit some videos, you know, do some rendering on this one. Paired with the 1135 G7, I believe that is powerful enough along with that eGPU that you have at your home, 2060, 3060, whatever that is. As long as meron kayo eGPU, mas makakapaglaro kayo dito sa notebook na to. Of course, we also got here the HDMI, and on the other side, we got here the USB-A port and also the micro SD card slot. So overall, it's a really nice notebook. We got an OLED display, a premium design, a lightweight and portable na design. Of course, we got here the US military grade na durability, so you know that the notebook is tough and also portable. But again, the best part talaga dito is the OLED display. When it comes to colors, you would really appreciate editing sa Photoshop, looking at your photos, watching videos. The contrast is really good. And whenever you're watching movies, the blacks are really black and the colors are really vivid. And kahit gamitin nyo sa labas, mapapansin nyo na talagang superior yung display na meron tayo dito sa Zenbook 13 UX325E. So I guess that's it dito sa unboxing and hands-on natin ng ASUS UX325E. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in my next video.